Alright guys, I'm going to show y'all how to make a gasket for a NT bicycle carburetor. Because I rejetted my carburetor, and when I took it off, the gasket broke. So get to it. I'm just using a cardboard cereal box. I want to find the best spot on here where it's not all wrinkled up. Doesn't have to be 100% precise because, well, it's got to be on there though, but you know. It's good enough to get an idea. Do that. Could just go on the inside a couple millimeters, but and got it backwards. There we go. You can always trim up if you make it a little too big on the inside. Just go back and trim it up. Just freehand the circle here. Make sure I'm going similar locations. Kind of like that. I'm just using a big old knife if that, you know, to get the rough cut, and then I'm gonna take it over with this if I have to. First cut you probably want to do is the inside, but yeah, you got a regular razor blade will work a lot better than this. Since I know this line was pretty good, I'll try to go right on it. Got a little close to the edge on this one, so I'll bring it out a little bit. Okay. That's kind of through most of the way. Try this little one to get the edge. Yeah, don't want to rip it. the surface area. It's kind of crazy on that side, so you could do it over a little if you needed to, but it's got a lot of surface area. Definitely want to clean it up before you put it in there. Get all these little pieces off so don't clog up the jet. I'll go with the big one. And pinch it. Turn around the other way so you can see where you got to cut. It's pretty much a line all the way around it. And it should go in pretty easy. See, it kind of broke through on its own. Just depends how hard you pushed in that general area. And you could do it either way, but gotta be extra careful on these skinny sides, or it could rip. And I have to start all over, which it ain't that hard, but that was already through pretty much. Definitely don't let it do that. Slower and easier. And there it is. Just gotta clean up all the little pieces. Just pluck them. If they fall off, they'll fall off. If they don't fall off, then they probably won't come off. But other than that, other than, what is it, just the holes left for the screws. Clean it up a little bit. It'll be good to go. Well, there's how to make a gasket for a carburetor, and you can make them for a intake, anything but exhaust. You can make a gasket out of a cardboard box. Well, I got it trimmed up, put a couple holes in it, put it back together here in a second. Got the holes in it. I just hooked them through with this little screwdriver on this multi-tool. Put it back together. Just gotta make sure it's in there all over. It's good enough. And it really don't have to be round as the float, because it says the float don't even drop that far. Well, it would be rising that far, but it's not even close to it. And when you put these in, make sure that where it's sealed, this point is facing upwards. Nice. That's what I was shooting for right there. Well, where? Right there, right under my face. Make sure it's in everywhere before you snug it down. Which, it was a very good fit, so I'm gonna say yes. One screw. The better you get those holes, the better the screw will go in. And did that one a little bigger, and it went in way easier. Snug them down real good. And there it is. Better fit than the piece of crap that came on it, because this was overhanging a bunch with it fully seated like this, and it just cut an edge off of it. And then when I took it apart the third time to jet it, it broke. So don't need this no more. You don't even need these to really make the other gasket. Just go in about 1 or 2 millimeters, just to have a little seal all the way around it. But there it is. Hopefully somebody learned a quick fix with the cardboard cereal box. Like, share, and subscribe for more later.